So, good afternoon, each one of you. Today, we'll continue chapter number 9, soil. Let's recap before starting the new concept today. Children, already we had learned that how much important soil is for us and it acts as a natural resource. Second thing, till now we have read the layer of the soil. Even the children, you have performed the different activities related with the layers of soil and horizons of soil. That is, if we dig the soil and if you see the vertical section of a soil, we found different horizons like A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and in the last, bedrock is there. After that, yesterday we did the different types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil, and uh, loamy soil. And on the basis of their properties, we can differentiate between the different types of soil. Like in the sandy soil, the size of the particle is quite big. In clay soil, very fine particles are there, so that can be easily used to make the earthen pots, and in any of the shape that can be molded. Clay soil. And loamy soil is the best one soil for the growth of the plant. And the reasons already we had discussed why it is the best soil. Next, today we'll continue with the properties of soil. So, what are the properties of soil like a percolation rate, absorption, moisture present in the soil? So, how we can find it out with the help of an activities. So, let's start reading. Yes, Aryan Sharma. First, properties of soil. First property is percolation rate of water in the soil. So, children, this is very
Ma'am, can
simple
I read
activity.
next the one now?
Ma'am, can I start reading?
To Arav Sehgal, I had Arav Sharma. Yes, Arav Sharma. After that, Dhavanya, you can.
Okay, ma'am. The properties of soil. You have listed some uses of soil. Let us perform some activities to find the characteristics of the soil. Percolation rate of water in soil. Bujo and Pahile marked two different squares of 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter each, one on the floor of their house and the other on the kacha unpaved road. They filled two bottles of the same size with water. They emptied the water from the bottles, one each, at the same time in the two squares. They observed that the water on the floor flowed down and was not absorbed. On the Kacha road, on the other hand, the water was absorbed. Now let us perform an activity to understand this.
Okay, Aryan
Bujo
Sharma.
wondered
Okay, Aryan, thank you, beta. So, children, here is an one question is there. You must have seen during the rainy season. What happens to the water? If the water is on the kacha floor, it get easily absorbed by the soil. And if the water is on the that pakka floor, then what happens? What happens? The water gets logged. Water remains there. You must have seen that water logging during this rainy season. The water remain there only. So how much percolation rate of the soil is there, that we are going to study through this activity. So here is an activity 9.4. Let's read this activity. Yes, Dhavanya, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am continuing. So, ma'am, activity 9.4. For this activity, divide yourselves into three teams. Name teams A, B, and C. You will be finding out how fast the water passes down the soil. You will need a hollow cylinder or a pipe. Ensure that each team uses pipes of the same diameter. Some suggestions for obtaining such a pipe are given below. If possible, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. If PVC pipe approx diameter 5 centimeter is available, cut it into 20 centimeter long pieces and use them. At the place where you collect the soil, place the pipe about 2 centimeter deep in the ground. pour 200 ml water in the pipe slowly. For measuring 200 ml water, you can use any empty 200 millimeter
Okay, Dhavanya.
bottle.
Okay, Dhavanya, fine. Children, so in the, I just want to tell you that how with this activity is fruitful for us, how that is going to help. Because here we have to find out the percolation rate. Percolation rate, there is a formula, that is amount of water collected upon the percolation time, means how much time has been taken for the water to fill in that particular bottle. So in this way, if we are having both the things, that amount of water, say approximately if it is 200 milliliter and the time taken by the percolation is 20 minutes, so we can find the rate of percolation, that is 10 milliliter per minute. So in this way, I want each one of you to kindly take this formula and try to understand that how we can find out the rate of percolation. I hope by this formula, this concept is clear to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, percolation rate means the quantity of water in the soil.
Yes. How much water has been absorbed by the soil? That is, we are taking. So children, any of the question can be there to find out the percolation rate. You have to apply this formula only. Amount of water upon percolation time. How much time has been taken? So in this way, you can calculate the amount of
So,
percolation
ma'am,
rate.
this question can also come that we have to write the formula. For example,
Yes,
percolation
any
rate.
question can be there. If this formula is in the notebook, so any of the question can be there. Second property we move for. Yes, Pulkit, you can continue reading. Moisture in the soil. Children, if we want to check that,
Moisture in
if we want to see how much moisture is present in the summer, or how much moisture is present in the soil during the summer or winter season, so we can do this activity, which is activity number 9.5. Okay, let's read this activity.
Ma'am, moisture, the other name
Ma'am,
for
am I
moisture is also
Yes,
audible?
Pulkit Mathur, start. Yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, continue.
Have you moisture in soil? Have you ever passed through a farmland during a hot summer day? Perhaps you notice that the air above the land is shimmering. Why is it so? Try out this activity and find the answer. Activity 9.5. Take a boiling tube, put 2 spoonfuls of a soil sample in it, heat it on a flame. Figure 9.6 and observe it. Let us find out what happens upon heating. Do you see water drops and where, if yes, where did you find them? On heating, water in the soil evaporates, moves up and condenses, and the cooler on the cooler inner walls of the and
Okay.
please scroll
Okay,
down.
Pulkit. Okay, fine, it is. So children, here is an activity 9.6. What you have to do, you have taken a soil sample in the test tube and start boiling it and keep it on the burner. What happens if the moisture is present in the soil? You can see the soil gets heated, and we can see the water droplets near the mouth of the test tube. So these water droplets shows the presence of moisture in the soil. Okay, if more number of water droplets will be there, it shows the more moisture or more humidity present in the soil. If it will be less, then it will be showing the less. So we can note down the
ma'am,
difference,
is boiling soil
and we can
will
compare
show the moisture.
the properties of different soils, that how much moisture is present in the soil. Next,
Excuse me,
3.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, here it is written the formula of a percolation rate. So, ma'am, what is the meaning of this percolation time
Already
in
we
minute?
have
Means,
done. Ananya, I think you are
ma'am,
forgetting. Already we have done the word percolation in the misunderstood words. That what?
ma'am, Ma'am, I am asking this percolation time means in how much time it absorbed in soil.
Yes, how much time has been taken by the soil to absorb the water? This is a percolation
Okay,
time.
ma'am.
Activity
Ma'am, can I
9.6
read
is,
it?
wait for a second, beta. Activity 9.6 is their absorption of water by soil. So children, here we have in this activity that again we have to see that how much water has been absorbed by our soil. So for this activity, we have to take 9.6 activity, take a plastic funnel, filter paper, fold
Ma'am,
as
means
shown
the
in the figure.
absorption of water by soil and percolation of water is same.
These are different. Wait, Dhavanya, I will explain each and everything. You have to wait for that. Let's read it, the absorption of this activity, and after that, you can go for the next one. Okay, Avika, read this activity 9.6.
Okay, ma'am. 9.6 Absorption of water by soil. Do all the soils absorb water to the same extent? Let us find out. Activity 9.6 Take a plastic funnel, take a filter paper or a piece of newspaper sheet. Fold and place it as shown in the figure. 9.7 Weigh 50 gram of dry powdered soil and pour it into a funnel. Measure a certain amount of water in a measuring cylinder and pour it drop by drop on the soil. You can use a dropper for this purpose. Do not let all the water fall at one spot. Pour water all over the soil. Keep pouring water till it shows dripping. Subtract the amount of water left in the measuring cylinder from the amount you started with. This is the amount of water retained by the soil. Record your results in your notebook in the following manner. Weight of soil is equals to 50 gram. Initial volume of water in the measuring cylinder is equals to UML. Final volume of water in the measuring cylinder is equals to VML. Volume of water absorbed by the soil is equals to U minus V ml. Weight of water absorbed by the soil, U minus V gram. 1 ml of water has weight equal to 1 gram. Percentage of water absorbed, U minus V upon 1500.
So children,
Repeat
this
this
is the
activity with different soil.
okay, beta Avika. So even we can find out the percentage of water absorbed. So by U minus V, U, I think you have understood initial volume. I will tell you how to do this activity, and V is the final volume. Divide by 50, multiply by 100 if we want to find out the percentage. So we can do this activity by taking the different samples of soil, and then we can differentiate that which soil is having the best absorbing capacity. Means three types of soil, or you may take the soil of different textures if you are having. So children, here are few of the questions which we need to give the answer. I will explain, Dhavanya, you have to wait for it. Which soil should be the should have the highest percolation rate? Children, kindly raise hand who know the answer. Which of the soil, according to you, if we are comparing sandy, loamy and clay soil, then which of the soil is having the high percolation rate among three?
Ma'am, clay.
Anybody else? Yes, Dhavanya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, clay soil contains the highest percolation rate of water.
Anybody else?
Ma'am, can I tell why?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, as we have read to yesterday that in the clay soil, the water absorption rate is more than clay, loamy, or sandy soil. That's why.
Okay, children, let me tell you, sandy soil has more percolation rate because in sandy soil there are large amount of spaces. So as we put
Ma'am,
water,
and it has fine particles.
yes. So Children, wait and listen carefully. So that is having a highest percolation rate. So you are small bit wrong. Lowest percolation rate is of clay soil. Clay soil. And one more question is there. Bujo heard from his neighbor that 8 to 10 days after the rain, the level of water in the pond or well rises. Which type of soil which allow water to reach a well faster in a greater amount? So that will be a sandy soil, because through sandy soil the water passes very easily. One more question is here: which type of soil retains the highest amount of water and which retains the least water? So highest retention capacity is of clay soil.
Ma'am, retains means
Clay soil. Okay. And lowest retention capacity is of sandy soil, because the particles are very big and the water percolate through that soil. So children, these all are
and
the
ma'am, it
properties
passes
of
very
soil.
easily.
These all are the properties of soil. We have read three properties of soil, that is the percolation rate, and even we can calculate the percolation rate. Amount of water
Mm,
divided by total time taken. Second, we have read about the
excuse me,
moisture of the
ma'am.
soil.
Can I tell the three properties of the soil, Lavanya?
Third is, wait, Lavanya. Third is absorption of soil. So these all are the three properties of soil we have read, and tomorrow we'll continue that how soil and crops are useful for us. Soil and crop, there is a great relationship. So how that relationship is going to help us, we'll read about that.